Hey guys, Claudia here from Accelerate. Today I am showing you a brand new product for the 300 series Land Cruiser, and I'm going to show you how to install it because it's that easy. So what we're releasing today is our brand new UHF handpiece mount for the 300 series Land Cruiser. So we listened, we released one for our 250 Prado, and the most common feedback was it's not powder coated black. So what we've gone and done is we've powder coated black with some epic branding on there, and I'll run you through a couple of the key features of why this is the best 300 series UHF handpiece mount on the market at the moment. All right, so the Accelerate 300 has a UHF unit installed already. We've already got our RJ45 pass through here as well. So this is probably one of our most simple products to install. That's probably why they let me do the video. I actually helped design this, so don't worry, I know what I'm talking about. So you've got two options. So we can go down here or we can go up here. So in some models there is more of a plastic trim, and I'll run you through what we need to do with that. But literally, you just slide it in there, press down, done. It's as simple as that. We've designed it so there's no metal exposed, there's no sort of lip hanging out between the trim and the center console. There's no sharp edges, you can't get hurt, especially with the extra powder coating on the side here. Done. It's up out of the way. Up here's good, it's okay. I definitely prefer down here because you can really see the screen, and even if I have my leg resting, there's still a lot of room for me to actually hit my knee, so it is up out of the way. It's a perfect location. You can drive, you can see the screen. It's awesome. And what makes it really easy is that if you've got your RJ45 and you're just driving around town and you don't want any of your sort of touring stuff, get your handpiece, unplug it. And then all you do is pull it straight out, and then you can tuck it away and you're back to factory, back for driving around town. If you do want to, if it is like a full touring vehicle and this is going to stay in here 24/7, we'll provide you with a little bit of 3M tape. This is just to put on so it's really like sort of stuck in there. It is gonna, because we have powder coated these ones, it's a little bit thicker, it is gonna stay in there, but it's just an option for people that want it. So again, if you wanted to go up the top, just straight in like that. It's super simple. It needs a little bit of force at the start, and you do have a couple of options of where you'd actually like it to sit on both mounting options. We've made it so you can put it in a few different places. There's not much to it. And then I'll run you through what we've done in terms of mounting the GME magnetic bracket. So we'll run through how to mount that in just a second. It'll come like this in your XRS Connect pack, and you get these little, like, I think they're 8mm M3 8mm bolts. You can go away, we don't need those. You want the ones that we've given you, so they're M3 by 15 mil bolt that we'll provide you, that you will get. If you don't, yell at me because I probably packed it and I probably forgot it. So what we're doing is getting those bolts, putting it back together, and then we're just lining it up on the handpiece mount like so. And obviously it's a magnet, so it's kind of annoying to get in. You kind of like are fighting the magnet whilst trying to put it all together, but it's as simple as sliding it in. We're reusing the nuts that come with the GME XRS Connect pack, and screw it in. Like finger tight is fine for these. If you want to use a absolutely fine. You see that there? It's perfect, lovely. So I know that the GME XRS packs come with this 3M tape. You can use it to mount it on there, but what we found, because we went powder coating, there's a bit of texture and because we wanted to have some branding on there and our logo, it's not as much surface space, so we thought that the bolts were a better option. So it's on there nice and tight. It's as simple as that. And that's how you mount the magnetic handpiece holder to our 300 series UHF mount.